welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the truly final Puppet Andrew Marr show. Today we will be burying him, as he was executed for his crimes. Let's all think back to those amazing / violent times when he killed the people that came up and helped him. He's in this beautiful coffin / Amazon box, which says on it, in his memory, box K10. Can't read the rest because it's upside down. Anyway, I think that if we're going to do a Puppet Andrew Marr show, and this is our final Puppet Andrew Marr show, we should look at him one final time before he goes to God.
What the beef is happening? Get me the hell out of here! Who the hell are you?